blessed because I gained a sister with what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential funds attacks, the impeachment, and I have we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm happy that I have a sister kasi meron akong pagagalitan. So, growing up, wala akong ganon, but meron akong yan ngayon, pinagagalitan na kapatid. And then, I'm happy as well. And this really is ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about the family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work, he was always busy with the country. And now I have this every day with him talking about life, talking about family. And for that, I feel like I am blessed.
Blessed. Yeah.
Because at this point, he's already 80 and he's already retired. But going back as mayor, baka busy na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. So, meron kami time. Nabigyan kami ng ganitong time. Makapag-usap sa fatherland.
Yeah. Nice kayo.
Sad lang that it has to happen inside the CC.
Pero there is
Inside the
there is a
detention.
good side.
But yes, thank you.